Losing your LLC status in Georgia can put your personal assets at risk and jeopardize your business operations. If your limited liability company has been administratively dissolved, reinstating it is often the best path forward to protect your interests and maintain business continuity. Reinstating an LLC means restoring a company that has been administratively dissolved back to active status. This process is particularly important if your business has an established customer base or owns valuable intellectual property. While forming a new LLC might seem simpler, it comes with significant disadvantages, including losing your original business name, needing a new tax ID number, and having to reestablish credit history and business relationships. Georgia handles LLC reinstatement differently than many other states. The state does not automatically reserve your business name during dissolution, meaning another company could legally take it while your LLC is inactive. Georgia also imposes a 5-year limit on reinstatements, unlike some states that allow indefinite reinstatement. The state uses a centralized online portal called eCorp for all reinstatement filings, which streamlines the process. One common cause of dissolution in Georgia is failing to file the annual registration by the April 1st deadline. The reinstatement process in Georgia follows several key steps. First, verify your eligibility by confirming your LLC was administratively dissolved, not voluntarily terminated, and that you're within the 5-year reinstatement window. Next, address whatever compliance issues caused the dissolution, typically by filing overdue annual registrations and paying associated late fees. Gather all necessary information, including your LLC's control number, official name, and registered agent details. Complete the application for reinstatement following administrative dissolution through the Georgia Secretary of State's Corporations Division. Be prepared to pay the $250 reinstatement fee, plus $50 for each missed annual registration. You can submit your application online through the Georgia Corporations Division website or mail a completed form with payment. Standard processing takes 5 to 15 business days, though expedited service is available for an additional fee. Once approved, your LLC returns to active status and is treated as if it had been in continuous existence since its original formation. Failing to reinstate your dissolved LLC carries serious consequences. Your business loses the right to operate under its registered name, and another entity may claim that name permanently. Perhaps most critically, your limited liability protection disappears, meaning your personal assets could be at risk for business debts or legal claims. Tax penalties and compliance issues may continue to accumulate with both state and federal authorities. Before proceeding with reinstatement, evaluate whether reviving the original entity truly serves your current business needs. Check if your business name remains available and calculate the total cost of reinstatement, including all back fees and penalties. Consider the impact on existing contracts and licenses, which may need to be renegotiated if you form a new entity instead. Many business owners have questions about this process. In Georgia, you have 5 years from the date of administrative dissolution to reinstate your LLC. The reinstatement can be completed online through the eCorp portal. The base fee is $250 plus $50 for each year you missed filing annual registrations. If your original business name has been taken during dissolution, you must select a new name and update your tax ID number and business documents accordingly. While legal assistance isn't required for reinstatement, professional guidance can help ensure you meet all compliance requirements and avoid potential pitfalls in the process. Reinstating your dissolved LLC in Georgia restores your company to good standing, preserves your business history, and reestablishes the liability protection that makes the LLC structure valuable in the first place.